Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institutes. We were just talking about bit of motivation against starting the class as part of our culture to first get motivated, then to start the class. So the part we were discussing, the less confused we are, the better we perform. Again, the better we perform in English test obviously means that we will talk in English. That's the only thing we can do better. Sir, everybody around me is talking in Hindi or Punjabi or in regional language. What should I do? Then that is the part of dedication. How does the dedication comes? Dedication comes with your positivity. If you are not positive, you will not be dedicated. So everything is a part of the person who is positive will dedicate more. The person who will dedicate more will have better outcomes, better consequences, better results. These are important words: consequences, results, outcomes. In OET, it is also known as finding. In OET reading, it can be replaced by the word finding. Finding also means outcome of the trial. Trial word can be replaced by research or study. Research, study, data, and trial are also synonyms. OET reading, these four words are very important. Con- consequences, results, findings, outcome. Then trial, research, study, and data are the same words. Then comes, suppose there is a question, what was the outcome of the study? Sometimes we will be trying to find where is the word finding. Again, read the question carefully so that you don't have to read the whole paragraph carefully. Again, read the question carefully so that you don't have to read the paragraph carefully. You only focus on the line that has the answer. How can we know about the line? When we read the question, what was the outcome of the study? I have got two important words: outcome and study. Study is given in singular. So if there are many studies given, I will try to focus on the singular study. And then when I say this study has found means it is the finding. So the finding word or outcome word can be replaced even by word found, has found, present perfect, or even is finding means found word is a verb. And if you make the noun of it, it will become finding. So found and finding are nothing different when it comes to English. They are synonyms. It's just one is verb and one is noun. You don't have to get deeper into details, but I'm telling you how to focus on the keywords. Then there would be so many studies given. They will say multiple studies were conducted and all the studies found that the problem was this and this. One of more study was conducted separately. Now if the question is about single study, then this is the mainline study. Multiple studies cannot have my answer. So means when it comes to OET reading, to make it simple, knowing the grammar, knowing adverb, knowing bit of synonyms. But again, simples are adverbs. Adverbs means again ly words. You have to see it carefully: frequently, only, exclusively. Second, degrees, comparative degrees. We have discussed a lot in the previous lectures. You can find my lecture on degree. That is a separate lecture. There are many times I have given this lecture. You will find lot. You can say degree in OET reading by Dr. BKM. You will find it. Degree, grammar, adverbs. Apart from this, synonyms. Synonyms means that you should be careful about small words like the example I have given you. One of the studies, or sometimes it would be given data suggests that. Data suggests means this is talking about study. Sometimes they will play with singular and plural. So the question would be, what was the outcome of the study? That means they are talking about singular. So focus on the line which is talking about singular study and is saying, however, there was one separate study which found. This line should have my answer. So knowing about these small things make things easy. And commitment, when you are committed, you try to find the easy ways. Commitment not only makes your job easy, it also makes your job easy because you are trying to find easy ways. You are active. You want to know how can I do it easily. Commitment does not only mean that it is a tough journey and I have to study a lot. You have to study a lot, but commitment gives you better way of study. Like what is the better way of study we were discussing? One listening three times, maximum 15 listenings. If you can do three times each, you will pass. If you will do 45 to 60 listenings one time, it will not work. 15 listenings 3 times each. 1, 2, 3. Then again, when you become expert of listening, then you can practice as many listenings as you want. Because in listening part A, the more listening A part you will do, the more spellings you will know. Spellings are very important. So again, OET is very simple in a way. In writing, do not select any difficult data. Speaking, how can speaking be a problem? If you are a person who has tried to speak in English all the time, that means you were dedicated, you were positive. How is it possible you will not learn? It's not possible. When you do only speaking for 5 minutes and rest 23 minutes and 55 seconds, you talk in your regional language, that is the problem. So please be positive. Again, learn from us, learn with Dr. BKM how to crack OET easily, and follow and stick to basics. That is what bigger coach in bigger teams, in bigger games like cricket, basketball, that is what they tell their senior players. Stick to the basics. That is what they tell their young players. Stick to the basics. That is what I am teaching you. Stick to the basics. Do only easy questions first in OET reading. So this is supposed to be done coming Saturday when you have exam. Thank you very much. It was for that only. Please focus on easy things so that we can pass easily. The thing, anything that is distracting you from these goals, that is the problem. So talk in English as much as you can. Do only easy questions first in every reading you are doing from now onwards. Repeat each listening 3 times. You will learn deeper insights of it, and talk in English and write in English. Only the easy things you write. The data that you do not understand in writing, you don't write about it. Simple. Thank you.